Euroloy is a cutting tools provider with a mission to empower manufacturers with cutting tools that redefine possibilities, drive efficiency, and elevate their success. We are dedicated to equipping our customers with the highest quality, innovative tools that enhance productivity, precision, and efficiency in their machining processes. Through our extensive R&D efforts, we strive to deliver cutting tools that push the boundaries of performance and enable our customers to stay ahead in a competitive market. Euroloy has a wide range of cutting tools for turning, milling, grooving, threading, and drilling operations. For various types of workpiece materials and machining types, Euroloy offers different CVD and PVD coated grades. You can easily select the appropriate grade through Euroloy's e-catalog or Euroloy Tools App on App Store and Google Play. Maestro is our mascot. He is an engineer who is passionate about the world of metalworking. He is a reliable advisor to you for solving all your problems about machining and helps select the correct tools from Euroloy. You can contact us via our email or phone numbers on the contact page of Euroloy website. Euroloy has 2 offices, with headquarters in Milan, Italy, and a sales office in Istanbul, Turkey. You can find our products from our official distributors. You can check if there is an authorized distributor in your region through our website. If not, simply send us an email on info@euroloy.com. Becoming a Euroloy dealer has many benefits, but most importantly, due to Euroloy's selective distribution strategy, we offer regional or sectoral protection to our dealers. This way, each dealer enjoys durable and hassle-free business in their respective region or field, without any clashes with other dealers or sellers. Secondly, being a Euroloy dealer will allow you to offer a wide range of products, appealing to different customer segments and industries. You will benefit from our dealers-only pricing, allowing for attractive profit margins when selling to your customers. Euroloy also provides marketing materials and support, helping our dealers to effectively promote Euroloy products. Finally, we offer virtual and on-site training programs to help dealers better understand our products, improving sales techniques and technical service.